Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering down the console and charging the controller to at least half. This prevents accidental inputs and mid-install interruptions. Once done, remove the rear screws with a Torx T6 and lift the backplate gently. Make sure to keep the screws and small pieces in a tray so nothing gets lost. Next, orient the strike pack so its USB ribbon and pogo pins align with the controller PCB. You'll seat the module before you secure it with the supplied screw. Once the module is seated, press the ribbon cable into the connector until it locks. You should feel a click. Make sure the pogo pins contact the controller pads cleanly, then partially fasten screws to keep alignment. Next, reattach the external paddles and buttons, testing each input as you go. This lets you verify mapping before closing the shell. If a button feels misaligned, loosen screws, realign the board, and retest until all inputs register reliably. After testing, fully tighten the screws evenly and reconnect the battery, then power the controller and console back on. Make sure to update the Strike Pack firmware if the manufacturer recommends it. Firmware fixes common input quirks. If the controller does not respond or paddles fail, power down, open it, and reseat the ribbon and pogo pins. Use a small amount of isopropyl to clean contacts if necessary. One quick tip: a slightly loose ribbon is the most common cause of intermittent faults.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.